Hey, welcome to the Mr. English podcast. I'm Nora, and today we're going to the phone store in English.
I'm Jack. We'll keep it fast, friendly, and powerful. No broken screens here, only broken fear. You'll learn how to ask for a SIM card, choose a plan, upgrade your phone, request repairs, and pay like a pro.
Short lines, copy S. Use them today. Let's start. Hello, do you work here?
Yes, how can I help you?
I need a new SIM card.
Prepaid or postpaid?
Prepaid, please.
Your turn. Hello, do you work here? I need a new SIM card. Prepaid, please.
Plan questions. Super simple.
How much data is included?
How many minutes and texts?
What is the price per month?
Is there a contract?
Is there an unlimited plan?
Your turn.
How much data is included? What is the price per month? Is there an unlimited plan?
SIM and activation.
Do you have eSIM?
Can you activate it today?
I want to port my number.
How long does activation take?
Your turn. Do you have eSIM? Can you activate it today? I want to port my number.
Devices, storage, and color.
I'm looking for a new phone.
Do you have 128 gigabyte storage?
What colors are available?
Is this model in stock?
How much is it without a contract?
Your turn.
I'm looking for a new phone. Do you have 128 gigabyte storage? What colors are available? How much is it without a contract?
Upgrade and trade-in.
Am I eligible for an upgrade?
Do you accept trade-ins?
How much is the trade-in value for my phone?
Can you transfer my data to the new phone?
Is there a warranty or insurance?
Your turn.
Am I eligible for an upgrade? Do you accept trade-ins? Can you transfer my data?
Repairs. Keep it calm, keep it clear.
My screen is cracked.
How much is the repair and how long does it take?
The battery dies fast. Can you replace it?
My phone fell in water. Can you check it?
Do I need to back up my data?
Your turn.
My screen is cracked. How much is the repair and how long does it take? The battery dies fast. Do I need to back up my data?
Accessories time. Protect your money and your phone.
I'd like a case and a screen protector.
Do you have a fast charger?
Do you have USB-C cables?
Do you sell wireless earbuds?
Your turn. I'd like a case and a screen protector. Do you have a fast charger?
Troubleshooting. Quick fixes with polite lines.
I don't have signal.
The internet is very slow.
My phone won't charge.
Could you check my settings? Can you update the software?
Your turn. I don't have signal. My phone won't charge. Could you check my settings?
Payments and receipts.
How much is the total?
Can I pay by card?
Do you have any discounts today?
Can I get an email receipt?
Is there a payment plan?
Your turn. How much is the total? Can I pay by card? Can I get an email receipt?
Returns and exchanges, polite and clear.
I'd like to return this. It doesn't work for me.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Would you like an exchange or a refund?
Exchange, please.
Is there a restocking fee?
Your turn. I'd like to return this. Here is the receipt. Is there a restocking fee?
Mini Roleplay 1. New plan plus eSIM.
Hello, do you work here?
Yes, how can I help you?
I need a new plan with data.
Prepaid or postpaid?
Prepaid. How much data is included?
10 gigabytes.
What is the price per month?
$25.
Do you have eSIM and can you activate it today?
Yes, we can activate now.
Great. Can I keep my number?
Yes, we'll port your number.
Thank you so much.
Now copy Nora's lines.
I need a new plan with data. Prepaid? How much data is included? What is the price per month? Do you have eSIM and can you activate it today? Can I keep my number? Thank you so much.
Mini Roleplay 2. Upgrade plus trade-in.
Hi, am I eligible for an upgrade?
Let me check. Yes, you are.
Do you accept trade-ins?
Yes. What phone do you have?
This model from 2 years ago.
Trade-in value is $150.
I'd like 256 gigabytes in black. Is it in stock?
Yes, we'll transfer your data.
Is there a warranty?
1-year warranty, optional insurance.
Perfect. How much is the total? Can I pay by card?
Yes.
Email receipt?
Yes, please. Copy Jack's lines.
Am I eligible for an upgrade? Do you accept trade-ins? I'd like 256 gigabytes in black. Is it in stock? Is there a warranty? How much is the total? Can I pay by card?
Mini Roleplay 3. Repair Desk.
Hello, my screen is cracked.
I'm sorry to hear that. We can repair it today.
How much is the repair and how long does it take?
$180, about 2 hours.
Do I need to back up my data?
We recommend a backup.
Thank you. I'll wait.
Copy.
My screen is cracked. How much is the repair and how long does it take? Do I need to back up my data?
Quick quiz. Say the answer out loud.
Which line asks for plan details? A. Do you have USB-C? B. How much data is included? Answer B.
Which line is for keeping your number? A. I want to port my number. B. Do you accept trade-ins? Answer A.
Which line gets a digital proof? A. Is there a payment plan? B. Can I get an email receipt? Answer B.
Speed practice. Copy fast but clear.
I need a new SIM card.
Prepaid or postpaid?
How much data is included?
What is the price per month?
Do you have eSIM? Can you activate it today?
Am I eligible for an upgrade?
Do you accept trade-ins?
My screen is cracked. How much is the repair?
Can I pay by card?
Can I get an email receipt? Troubleshooting mini kit always works.
I don't have signal. Could you check my line?
The internet is slow. Could you reset the network?
My phone won't charge. Could you test the charger and cable?
Can you update the software to the latest version?
If that fails, can we replace the SIM?
You just learned the calm magic. Full customer journey. Hello to goodbye. Copy this flow.
Hello, I need a new prepaid plan with data.
Sure. 10 gigabytes, $25 a month.
Do you have eSIM? Can you activate it today?
Yes, and we can court your number.
Perfect. I'd also like a case and a screen protector.
No problem.
How much is the total? Can I pay by card?
Yes. Do you want an email receipt?
Yes, please. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new plan.
Now, repeat my lines. Hello, I need a new prepaid plan with data. Do you have eSIM? Can you activate it today? I'd also like a case and a screen protector. How much is the total? Can I pay by card? Yes, please. Thank you for your help.
Final advice. Short lines win. Ask one question at a time. Always confirm price, time, and warranty. Smile. It helps every conversation.
Practice challenge. Comment 3 lines you'll use at the phone store. 1 plan question, 1 device or repair question, 1 payment or receipt line.
Paste them now. We'll reply with a tip.
Subscribe for more easy, real English.
Keep practicing and keep smiling. Bye for now.